Hi students, in this class, let us learn some basic terms of geometry. So before watching this class, so please subscribe this channel to get more videos. Okay friends, now what is the first term here? Point. So what is a point? So point is a fine dot on paper. Point is a fine dot on paper or a location, and a plane is called point. It has no length, breadth or thickness. It is denoted by capital letter such as A, comma, B or C, etc. Okay, point, a fine dot. A fine dot on paper or a location on a plane. And location on a plane is called point. It has no length, no breadth or thickness. It is denoted by capital letters such as A, comma, B or C, etc. Okay, next, plane. What is a plane? You know, a sheet of paper or surface of table. This has a flat surface. Okay, if we extend it in all directions to unlimited length, if we extend, it is a sheet of paper. It is a surface of table. Okay, if we extend in all directions to unlimited length, then the extended surface is called a plane. Then the extended surface is called a plane. Okay, next, line. So what is the basic idea of line? Is straightness. The basic idea of line is straightness. It has no breadth or thickness. It has no breadth or thickness. It is a line. It has no breadth or thickness. It can be extended on either side indefinitely. Okay, it can be extended indefinitely on both directions. Line is denoted by small letters L, comma, M, comma, N, etc. Any alphabet letter you can use to denote the line. Okay, next, line segment. So line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. Cut here, so draw here, it is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. It has two end points. It has two end points, A and B. A and B. It has two end points. We can measure the line segment. Okay, we can measure the line segment, but we cannot measure line because it has indefinite length. It has indefinite length. Okay, next, ray. If a line segment, it is a line segment. It is a line segment. It is one end point. It is a line segment is extended to unlimited length on one of the end point. One of the end point. Then we name it by a ray. By a ray. Okay. It has also indefinite length. We cannot measure this length. It has one end point. Okay, again, these three important points, remember this. A line contains infinite points. Okay, infinite lines can pass through a point. It is a point. Infinite lines can pass through a point. Okay, next, again, two distinct lines. These two are distinct lines, cannot have more than one point in common. Two distinct lines can have only one point in common. Okay, two distinct lines can have only one point in common. Next, angle. Two rays, it is a one ray. It is OA and OB. This OA and OB. These two rays having a common point form an angle. The gap between these two rays is called an angle. The gap between these two rays is called angle. We denote this angle AOB. Angle AOB. We denote this by angle AOB. Okay. Next, see this types of angle. So what are the types of angle? So acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Okay. Acute angle less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees means acute angle, and right angle exactly 90 degrees means right angle. Okay. Next, obtuse angle. So what is obtuse angle? The angle which is lying between 90 and 180 is called obtuse angle. Okay. Straight angle means 180 degrees. Straight angle, exactly if the angle is 180 degrees, it is called straight angle. Okay. Next, reflex angle. What is the reflex angle? An angle which is lying between 180 and 360. An angle which is lying between 180 and 360 is called reflex angle. See this here, 90 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270, and another 360. 360. Here see, the angle between 180 and 360 is called reflex angle. Okay. Complete angle. Complete angle means 360 degrees. Complete angle means 360 degrees. Okay. Next again, see complementary angles. What are the complementary angles? Two angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the two angles are complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. See here one angle is there, right angle. Here 45, here 45. Okay. Now here O B, AOB, here C, AOB, here C. Angle BOC, angle BOC plus angle AOC is equal 90 degrees. Angle BOC, angle AOC is equal 90 degrees. So this angle AOC and angle BOC are two complementary angles. Okay. Next, supplementary angle. The two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then these two angles are called supplementary angles.